Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Civil Ideas. So today we'll discuss about the 2D plan for 5 model house. So in this short video, I will just explain the 2D so that you may know all the commands of the uh, uh, 2D AutoCAD. And in the next video, I will convert that into a 3D as I have converted that one. So this is I have drawn in AutoCAD. In the next video we will apply all the materials and then convert it into 3D. So first we will do a setting in AutoCAD. So for setting you have to press a command UN enter, and this you can see here, this is the decimal places. You can do whatever you are familiar with. So I will go for the an engineering, yes, and this is decimal, okay, and this is 0.002, and this is in inches. You may go for mm and any other units. So normally I use in inches. So let's start. This is a unit conversion. Let's okay. And now first we will draw a plot for a 5 model house. Normally the area of a 5 model plot is 1200 to 1300 square foot. So we will go for it. So the width enter, you can draw it with a rectangle. So I will on the orthogonal so that line can go straight forward, and so this is the enter and this is the line, and the width I provide is 25 feet. 25, you can see here in command 25 into this comma feet. So this is will be taken as a feet. So this is 25, double enter, and now and the screen line is beyond the screen, so you have to press Z enter, E enter. Now you can see here I will move this UCS into UCS to its origin. Now we will draw another line, horizontal one. So this we will provide a 50 feet. Okay, double enter. Now you can see here, and now again you can do an offset like O enter, and how much this length is 25 feet, so you have to offset at 25 feet. Okay, press this you can see here, and now we will offset it to this side. You can directly connect it by line like L enter. This is the tracking. You can see here, sorry, there's a mistake. So L enter, maybe provide some L enter, and you have to okay double enter. So this is your plot. Now you have to convert it into some rooms. So we will first you copy it, we will use it again, CO for copy, enter, and then this side. Now I will provide a wall in it, like this is a plot, so I will provide a text here. Text plot, this is a plot. Okay, you can move it, escape. If you have to escape any command, then you have to press an escape or double enter, and some command double enter not working, so you have to press in escape. Okay, M enter to move it, and you have to off the orthogonal so that you can move it anywhere. Now we have to provide an walls in it. So first we will provide a 9 inches wall, offset 9, O enter and 9 enter, and then O enter 9 enter. You have to do that for all. This is a plot. Now you can create a room, you can trim it, TR for trim. So in this video you will learn all the basic commands that we are using in AutoCAD. This is the trim command, TR, double enter, you can see here. Okay, now we will provide a room here, like O enter, and I will have to provide a 12 feet room, O enter. Now this is a room, and now we will provide here a wall, O enter, 9 inches. This is the wall. Now we provide this is and this direction vertical is at 12 feet, and in this direction you can see here, you can check the dimension, DI enter, DI, and press on the 2 points. You will show that 23 feet 6 inches. So this is the dimension. Now you can see here. So now we'll provide another, and here the door side, offset 4 feet, 3.5 feet, offset 3.5 feet, so that I can provide a door here and also the access to this room, offset and 9 inches again. This is one of your room at the one corner. Now you can trim these all, you can carry it. So now we will draw in another room here, offset. I just draw it randomly, and just to show you all the command of AutoCAD. I didn't have practice about this plan, but I have just it to show you all the commands of AutoCAD. So you have to focus on the commands, then you can draw anything in AutoCAD. Okay, so offset again, I 14 feet. This is the ground floor, and offset 9 inches. You have to provide a 9 inches wall here. If there is a washroom, then you may provide 4.5 inches. Okay, so this is some of the rooms, and here you can draw. You can see that DI enter, and first point and second point you can see here the 21 feet. So we have to left garage area here. So now we have to move to other side, like TRN. Okay, now offset and to 12 feet, offset 9 inches. We can provide here a room also, and in this direction you can see you can delete it, select and delete. Okay, so this may be a room, type of a room, or a a type of uh, launch, and this is we can provide an a to trim all these TR for trims. Okay, so we can now we have to provide here a gate like the main gate, offset about 9 inches. So this is the become the pillar. This area will become the pillar for the gate. So now we'll provide a gate of about 9 inches, 9 feet. So this is your main gate area. You can see. And here you can provide a door offset 4.5 inches, 4.5 into offset. So this is the the offset into 3 feet, and so this is the door. We have to provide here the 4 feet door. This is the main door. We can here provide a porch type offset 6 feet. Okay, offset 9 inches. Okay, now it's better. Extend. We have to extend this line. Extend. Now trim these things. Extend. Double enter for extend. Offset 4 feet. This is a main door. You can provide it bigger. So TR enter. So we will provide here a door. Now you can see here we can also provide a door here. Offset 4.5 feet. Sorry, 4.5 inches. 4.5 inches. Here we will fix the door. That's why we have provide 5 inches. Offset about 3 feet. And just you have to focus on all the commands. So we have created this layout, simple layout. We can provide here a washroom like offset 4 feet, and we will provide a wall of 4.5 inches for the washroom. And this is not load bearing wall, so we will provide just a partition wall. Offset set here and to 5 feet, 4.5 feet wall, 4.5 inches, sorry. TR trim. So washroom you can provide it in the same the other room like MI for mirror. You have to on the orthogonal. This is the cursor for orthogonal mode. You can see here. So it will create some problem. MI, actually it is, you have to draw it here because it creates some problem. Offset 4 feet, offset 5 feet. It's a small washroom. Offset 4.5 inches. For inches you have to just put the 4.5, and for feet you have to put a comma with the magnitude. Also you can do it in mm if you set your dimension units in mm. So these are the two washrooms. You can provide access from anywhere, like here you can provide it in this side, and here we provide in this side. So I just provide a small L, offset 4.5 inches, offset. Now our washroom door is 2.5 feet. Here, trim it. Okay. You have to press the line. Sorry, it creates here. Okay. Now you can provide it here. L. Okay. Offset O, enter 4.5. 4.5. Offset 2.5 feet. 2.5 comma. You can see here in the command box all the what I am typing. So as you can see, these are the two washroom, and here we will provide a door, small L line, offset 4.5. In this box you have to check on the line, because we have to click on the line. Offset 3 feet. Trim it. Now, so this is the, sorry, we have to remove this line. Extend. Okay. Now we have to provide here. You can provide a window here. You have to choose the midpoint and then offset 3 feet at one side and on the other side. So this is your 6 feet, about 6 feet, window. Okay, this is one of your window. You can copy it, CO for copy, CO, and also select all these things, and now select the base point as this is the midpoint. So this is the base point, and you can paste it here at the base point. Now you can see here you have provided windows both sides. So, and also you can do it here. I'll enter. This is the midpoint, you can see. Okay, offset 4 point, sorry, offset 3 feet. Need to provide a 6 feet wide window. This is the main window. You can see here. Now next video we will convert it into 3D, so you will understand. uh, you can also provide here the ventilation. For ventilation you need to provide here the, so now what, 6 offset 6 inches. This is the type of, and also you can also trim these things which you may better understand, but I don't need for the cutting of these things. Okay, now we'll provide here, this is the garage, and here we'll provide another access gate, small gate. Offset is equal to 4.5. Here offset is equal to 4 feet. Okay, also provide it here. We can also so we didn't have provide stairs for the first floor. This is the ground floor, so we will provide stairs here beyond in this room, so that go beyond. So we will remove these things, and now we can provide here stairs like is equal to 9 inches. So we have to provide a 9 inches. Offset is equal to how many? So there is a 10 feet door. So I will show you from the window. So this is the calculator. So now there's a 10 feet multiply, this is the story height, multiply into 12, we have to convert into inches, 120. Now we'll divide it, if we provide a 6 feet, a 6 inch rise, so a 18 inches rise, because the space is very this space is very low. Minimum space we have to provide it, so that it doesn't take much space. So 120 into inches divided by the riser. So the riser is we have to take the riser of the as 8 inches. So now we will 120 divided by 8, 15 steps. We will require 15 steps, and now 15 steps we have provided the offset is equal to 9 inches. 9 9 9 9. Sorry, how many steps? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So this is your staircase. Now one of the benefits of such stair is we can to move it a little bit aside. Enter, select all these lines, and to move it M into 4.5 inches, so that you have to connect it with the Now you can see here this line is also move. You can move. Now it looks better. So this is the staircase. Now you can provide our washroom under these stairs for this room. So this is the main benefits of this type of store, this staircase, and also the access to the directly to the first floor from outside. Now enter. You can provide a door. You can also provide a window here or here, but it's the front side, so you can provide it here. Offset equal to 2 feet. You can provide it 3 feet also. You check it 2.5 feet. Offset equal to 2.5 feet. Now you can see here. So now we will to move it to draw a door. See enter. And how much door is? About 4 feet. 4. Enter circle. C for circle and select this center and for now enter. See here, this is the door. Now trim it TR. This is the door that I have drawn it. Open to the outside. MI mirror command. Double enter. Now we have to mirror it. Okay, now delete that one because doors normally open to the inner side. Now we have to do it for all these sides. See enter. Circle. This is a 3.5 feet. Sorry, I think it's a 3 feet. So now you can delete this one. This is the door, and also you can provide as much 3 to 4 rooms here, but now I just to show you all the commands. 3 sorry, so washroom. So this is about 2.5 feet. See enter and 2.5 and 2 feet. Okay, now L enter. Select this point and the one of the point in the circle. I have to remove it. Okay, I can delete it. Now see enter. Okay, I'll enter. Now trim it GR and double enter. Just try these two things and delete this one. Now it's okay. So the last one, 3 feet, I think. You can check it here. 3 feet, yes. Okay. I'll enter. You can, okay. GR double enter for trim command. Okay. Escape, enter into escape and then select it. Okay. Now you're almost this plan is ready. Now we will move to the second floor, and you can place here all the furnitures and these things you may have seen in the. So we have drawn a main gate like this is the 4.5 feet. That's because we have, you can open it either inside or outside. Here, okay. Now MI, you can mirror it. MI for mirror. So now your main gate is ready. So now you can write a text here. You can also provide here a door, like a main gate. This we will show you in the. Now I will draw it here. 4 feet. I'll enter. This will be open at the outside. Now here. Now delete it. Okay. Now you can write text here. Text you can T and to txt text, and text you can see all these commands. Now you can see here the ground floor, ground floor. You can select all the writing styles, everything from this. Here you can see these are the top. You can adjust everything here. Now I will give it enter to move it. You can also adjust the scale. SC enter, S enter C, double enter, and select this one. Sorry, SC. Now you have to enter and then select any point. You can minimize its size. I will put 0.70%. Still I can minimize. Select SC, select enter, and then 0.7, so 70% of, you can see here. Now it's look better. You can also provide layers by layers, everything. There's a lot of to do in AutoCAD. Here I will just show you the main commands that you can draw 2D or 3D drawings, anything in AutoCAD. Okay, we will draw here the DLI for the dimension of the plot. Now you can see the dimension I'm not seeing. I will show you how to do it. You can adjust it. Now you can see here is the text. The Z enter for zoom, Z enter, and to select a point. So here you can see here the text is written, but it doesn't show. So you have to de-enter and to modify and to select these decimal and to engineering. Yes, you can go for architecture. Okay, so I think architecture we use better. So primary units you have to also check out. This better, you have to check it. Drawings, suffix, and to apply the heights. You can see here. So the text height. The text height you can see it put it directly 1 feet. And these are the factor. You can check it where you want to fit arrows. You want arrows, text, only text, arrows. These are the line types, everything you can check it. Okay, so now I will okay it. This is the plot and this is the ground floor. Now we will move to the, you can you can text here, and text you can draw like guest room. The writings are small. Because the video is increasing, so that's why I want to create it. You can adjust the writing, scale everything from the very start before drawing, so that your time may not point to. Now you can see it here. I will scale it. You can see here the text. So this is the room is about how much. First I have to check the dimension, DI enter, and now you have to check the DI 14 feet and 13 and 10 inches. Now you can see here 14 feet and to 13 and to 10 inches. Okay, so enter. You can paste it here. Same thing you can do it for all these rooms. CO enter here, and also you can paste it in your garage where you want to write dimension. You can also write it in the washroom on every side, and also here. So you can put it these are the some of the dimension types you can, and you can use these command. The dimension, you can see it here, 28 feet. So I don't know, scale is not getting, you can see it here. Scale is taken as this is not normally is some mistake in units. This is the basic commands for the ground floor. Now you will copy it. So you will copy it and this CO, enter. Okay, also you can copy it that we may require it. So here we will first floor. Okay. Okay, now remove these things. On the first floor we didn't want to show these things. And also the walls normally have to this level. Okay. TR. And also you have to now for sample you have to just draw an elevation here. I'll draw just a simple elevation. Offset is equal to 2 feet equal to 3 feet. AR. Okay, so this is the type of elevation. For arc, ARC, enter, and first point, second point, and third point you will draw. This is the, now you can remove other things. You can provide here something. This is a 2D plan, and this is not a room, and this will be the balcony or front side of this room. Now this is the stairs, which is from downside to the upward first floor, and normally these are the rooms. Okay, so now we have to think that we have to remove this room to go for the roof side. Delete it. Okay, so we have to remove all these things. Here ex double enter for extend. Now tr enter, trim, and we will also provide an access for the roof. So offset about 2.5 feet, so it is a small width floor. Now you provide a step here, ext enter, so that we may easy for us to get into 3D. Offset is equal to 9 inches. You have to off this selection cycling because it creates problem. Offset 9 inches, and then you have to continue it just by clicking, and on the other side you can. Now here we have to provide now to delete it, and we have to go into di for dimension check. So it's 3 feet. Okay, this is the step pointer steps at the corner. This is making remove. this is for the ground floor. You can remove it. Just it maybe. Okay, so this is the upside. You can also provide here, draw here. Maybe some commands that I didn't get it. You can also provide all. So there's many options. You have to like I could just here's the simple option that I didn't get it now. Here it depends upon practice that how much you are using any software, then you will easy. Now you can use a h command, h enter, and you can use any color also, co. So you didn't get it, and now you can draw a line here, ma for match command, ma, and you can do it. So this is the one type of. Now you will for the white, you can by layer you can use it easily. I didn't create layers in this is the layers. You can use it for room walls, boundary walls, you can mention all these things, and then you can create anything. So this is upside, and also you can co enter, mi. Now you can delete it, co. Your time the video is freezing. I will try to cover it spaces, but you have to remove these things from the second floor now. So this is normally second floor. You can use this is a room or is a any store any type, but this is the front side, so you may use it as a. We can adjust scale here. Okay, now I can remove it. Offset is equal to 3 feet. Offset, hit enter. Sorry, you have to delete it. Offset is equal to 3 enter, 3 feet. Sorry, ARC for arc, enter, and first point, second point, and third point. This is the balcony, and we can use the color into white so that you're not confused at what I'm drawing. We can match the color MA. We have to match this white color into this. So enter. Now you can see this is a balcony that we have created. Now we can go for EX, double enter. Sometimes it creates problem. Offset is equal to 9 inches. TR enter. EXT. Now you provide here a window. we have to draw a line here so that we may track the midpoint. So this is the midpoint. Okay, now offset is equal to 3 feet. Okay, now so this is the first floor. I'm trying to use all the commands here. I think you understand what I'm doing. So this is the first and second floor, and now text command and doors, and I think all the 2D command we have used here. For curves we have ARC, for doors just by enter C, and also you can put here, and from the design center you can see here there's something that I didn't find, and I will show you all the commands or all these things. So this is the 2018 AutoCad, and you will find all the things in the menu. If you and this is the design center, you can create any blocks. This is the civil architectural. You can see architecture, you can blocks. So this is the blocks, like this is a car and this is a door. So there is some other blocks that have selected your brands. For architectural, for civil, you can see here this is the window and cars and some things for toilets, and for kitchens also, for electrical, mechanical, everyone. This is one of the draftman used for the 2D and structure. You can use it anything, you can use it from here. There is some steps for the electrical, mechanical, so you can use it from here. I will show you just maybe for the kitchen stuff and furnitures, but I didn't find it. So here in the design center you can see here, and the menu, insert and menu, you can see here all these commands are here. Just by practicing it you will learn it, and it's not much complicated, but just practicing you will know all the commands, and within a month, and you can learn all commands of AutoCAD if you practice and use in your daily life by using in your office or anything. You can use it. So this is a 2D. We will convert it into 3D in the next video. So thank you.